All right, we're at the air show in Pittsfield here. Look at that. That's a nice one. Wow. Oh, they're going to do a parachute show coming right up here. Look at this. Oh, look at that. It says Pratt & Whitney Aircraft, dependable engine. All right. Oh, Miss Maine's on the aircraft. Look at that. Oh, you get to come right in here and see the engine here. Look at all that. Isn't that cool? Look at that. Wow. That is nice to see. Miss Maine. Look at that. I get to come in and see the other one. Hey, look at that. You can see me in there too. Guess I gotta wear my happy hat. Wow, look at that. Isn't that pretty? That's a really nice aircraft. There you go. All right, stay tuned for some more, so be sure to sub me and follow me as a friend, and you'll get to see a lot more what I bring. Bye-bye now.